Welcome back everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to get the viral Lego name filter on TikTok. So if you want to find the Lego name filter on TikTok, then let me show you how to do this. So the Lego name filter is basically where when you type your name, it'll basically create a Lego out of it. So before you begin, first go to your app store, search for TikTok and make sure that's been updated to the latest version. Once that's updated, go ahead and open the app. In the app, you want to go ahead and find Lego name filter. Now here, you want to go ahead and tap on those videos that are doing the trend. So for example, this one here and this one. Now this is what you're looking for, name as Lego, female. So go ahead and tap on it. So this is what it looks like. Now for those of you who cannot find this filter or who cannot find the video, then go ahead and look in the description, as that is where I'll post the URL for this filter. Go ahead and open that in your TikTok app on your phone. Now to use this, go ahead and tap on Use this effect. Go ahead and tap on 60 seconds, then tap on Record, and now go ahead and type in your name. And as you type along, it'll basically create a Lego figure out of it. So there you go. That is how to create the viral Lego name filter on TikTok. Now, if you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Hit the like button if you find this video useful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.